I will show you my Google AdSense earning. This is Google AdSense. I just sign in Google AdSense in my earning today. It's for $529 and yesterday 1.13k and last 7 days is 6.14 and last payment is I received from 12,000k. Daily page view is 12,000k and impression is 28,000. As you have seen the intro about my earning in this video, so I will just explain you what is you need to know to earn about this type of earning from Google AdSense. I'm just using my one of the my newsmug.in website to earn $5,000 per day. Okay, before going to start this video, I will just explain you that type of earning. If you need, your website speed should be or must have a above than 90%. Okay, so as you seen, I just analyze my website and let's see the my website speed is above than 90%. Just coming the result. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. After that, I will explain you what you need to know, what you need for this type of earning. Okay. So step by step, I will just explain you the step how we can earn money from Google AdSense by using one blogger website or any website. Okay. So this is my performance report or Google page speed. So more than 90% I have. Performance is 95, accessibility is 95, and best practice is 100%, and SEO is 100%, 92%. Okay, and I just this is in mobile device, and another is performance is 80%, just less than 90, and accessibility is 95%, and best practice is 100%, and SEO is 92%. So this is enough, and you must have more than 90% and desktop and mobile itself. So this is my website. I just to show you my website. This is my newsmug.in. This is website name, and daily basis you will see that my website. You can analyze my website in Google Page Speed, and you must know my website speed is more than 90%. So you have to, you must have a fast speed in your website. So you will see this post I got a 63,000k view, and this post I gave 50,000, 14,000, 16,000, 11,000, 10,000, and every post I getting the traffic from Google itself. And the last yesterday I just post one, I write one post. This is my post, and yesterday I just written this post proper SEO practice, and you will see this post I getting in Google first page. This is my focus keyword. I just show you this is my focus keyword. I just search in Google. This is first page. Okay, see that this is my focus keyword. I just search in Google search console, Google, and this is my result, and Google's first page I just got a first page. Be- yeah, 3 days ago I just written this post, 49 best way to say thank you in Hindi. This is first page, Google's first page, first ranking I getting. Okay, so this type of post you must have to write in Google so that you will get a traffic. And if you got the more than 10,000k traffic in your blog or website, you will definitely get a 5000 k per month, per month, $5,000 per month from Google AdSense. Okay, so this is my website. You can visit. This is I will just provide you the link of my website newsmug.in, and this is fully in Hindi website. This is related to news, but it's not a news. This is general knowledge, and user can see the more interact about this post, you will see the 49 best way to say thank you, महालक्ष्मी कैलेंडर डाउनलोड, आजकल कौन सी साड़ी ज़्यादा चल रही है, दिस टाइप ऑफ पोस्ट आई एम रिटन इन माय वेबसाइट, पैसे कमाने के 12 बेहतरीन बिजनेस आइडिया, दिस इज मिक्सिंग एंड दिस इज मल्टी नीज वेबसाइट and this fully written in Hindi language. Okay, so that I will go, got a good traffic and good earning. Okay, this is the 50,000 के, फिर आ गया 1000 का नया नोट, एंड अभिनेता जितेंद्र ने बोला दुनिया को अलविदा, लग आई थिंक 2,37,000 views I got in this post. Okay, and I will just show you the another post, like threading post, I don't know, but this is 88,000, and I will just show you how many posts I have in my blog. So I just leave this post, and you will see 2200 posts, 2255, 2255 post I have, and every post I written proper SEO. Okay, so that you will rank on Google. If you know how to rank your post in Google first page, just comment me. And if you want to know how to speed up your website, how speed up your website, so I let you know. You just comment me. I will make one dedicated video for a speed and dedicated video for proper SEO. Okay, so that you will learn how we can earn money from Google AdSense with only one website. Okay, so if you like this video, just comment me and share this video to motivate someone. And thank you.